Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Logitech K480. It's super simple. So I also made a quick video for different Logitech and the process is the same, just look.
So what you want to do is to press Escape O, Escape O, and Escape B. What will happen is that
Do you
all
see
your
that?
connections.
So you're gonna press Escape O, and Escape B. And this is how you're gonna reset it. Super simple, and that's how it works. So let me down in the comments if it actually helped you fix the issue and reset it. But this should be the process for the Logitech K480 and how you can reset it. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.